more than 18 years of experience in the field of education. Now I request Dr. Sanjay to come on dais and motivate our students.
Thank you, Shalini, for such a generous introduction. Respected Rana Sahib, who is like elder brother to us, professors of this institution sitting on my right, who are the backbone of any institution, Sumit, a guest to us, a long time student in the business school, mother of Vishaka, Dr. Priyanka, all the family members of Vishaka, and above all the parents and the students who are sitting in front of me. An extraordinary person. The answer is just extra. But behavior is the bottom line. What differentiates those who made history, those who are sitting in the top chairs, in the top corporate, wherever they are, how these people become great? And if you want to become great, today I am going to give you a very powerful lesson how to become powerful in life forever. Are you ready for it? Simple. Yes, no? Yes. Okay. I tell you, if you want to become extraordinary in life, follow certain L's which I am telling you today. The first and foremost L, number one, learning. Always be a keen learner in life. Make lots and lots of mistakes, but don't repeat the same mistake. Why I say so? Because experience is a bad teacher. Experience is a bad teacher. It's test first and learning afterwards. After 1 year you realize, oh God, I committed a mistake. No issues. But don't repeat the same mistake. Be a quick learner in life. Take up the stock, say after 7 days, 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. But always take up your learning home in life, first step. If you do this, you become great. I will tell you 5 L on intrinsic front. First L is learning. Be a quick learner and don't repeat the same mistake. First L, what I have said to you is that's what? Learning. Second L, very important. Laugh. All great people, they laugh a lot. Take up Rana Sahib as an example. He is known the way he laughs. Your own director, the way they laugh. Laughter is the natural fuel God has given to us. Whenever energy is down, laugh. Whenever things go wrong, laugh. Why I say so? Because in your life, Sumit, you will find many people who make you mad, sad, and make you belittle in life. Let God take care of those persons because hatred will consume your heart too. Don't spoil your energy in correcting those idiots who are not your mandate. Everybody here, all the parents here, professors here, learn to laugh in life. Laugh, laugh and laugh is the natural fuel God has given to us. जब भी जिंदगी में दुख हो जाए, हंस दो, जोर से हंसो, and life would be very good. My third L to you, looking. In life, there are many bad things as well as many good things. In life, learn to look at only good things. Why? Two people looked out from the same window. Two persons looked out from the same window. One saw the mud, another saw the stars. One saw the mud, another saw the stars. It is purely up to us in our life what we wish to see in life. To all my professors sitting here, there are 40 students sitting in a class. 37 of them are studying and taking notes and doing their job very seriously. 3 of them are talking to each other. As a teacher, do I concentrate on those 37 students or I am busy in looking at those 3? Come on, hey, what are you doing? Get up, get up. and you are shouting, and you are spoiling your energy and energy of 37 more. My request to all the professors here, look for those 37, those who are listening to you carefully, motivate them, because it is important what we look in life. First, tell what I have said to you. Second, third, fourth, tell lasting impression. Whatever job is given to you, do it in the best possible manner. I take this opportunity to compliment each one of you sitting here. Please put your hands. The way this rangoli has been drawn, the way this lighting of lamp is done, the way all the students greeted us at the door, the way those who sing a beautiful song for us, smile of every parent. What is that? Whatever job is given to you, take it with a lot of pride and deliver it. If you do so, you will become great in life and you will be remembered by everyone. Doesn't matter whether you are serving a glass of water or a cup of tea to somebody. अगर माँ ने कहते एक गिलास पानी लेके आओ, तो ये मत कहो कि मुझे क्यों कहते हैं, मुझे ही कहते रहते हो हमेशा. Take it, deliver it to them with a lot of pride, and the way you deliver, they should value it. If you do so, take my words, जीवन में बहुत आगे बढ़ोगे, बहुत ऊंचे बढ़ोगे. Whatever you love, fifth L is love. Be passionate in life. जीवन में जो कुछ भी करो, दिल खोल के करो. और डरना एकदम नहीं. संघर्ष और साहस से बढ़कर कुछ भी नहीं. हारा वही जो लड़ा नहीं. जीवन में whether you love maths, whatever you are mad about, follow it. एक बार सवाल गलत हो, दो बार गलत हो, करते जाओ, छोड़ो नहीं, क्योंकि संघर्ष और साहस से बढ़कर कुछ भी नहीं. If you follow this 5L intrinsically, you will become a very superior person and a very superior professional. अच्छे इंसान भी बनोगे और अच्छे काम करने वाले भी बनोगे, माँ बाप का नाम रोशन करोगे, परिवार में सभी लोग खुश होंगे. और याद रखना, सक्सेस हैज मेनी फादर्स एंड फेलियर इज ऑलवेज ऑर्फन. अगर अच्छे बनोगे तो मैम भी कहेंगे, सर भी कहेंगे, सभी लोग कहेंगे मैंने पढ़ाया था इसको यशोका में, देखो ना कितना आगे बढ़ गया. माँ भी कहेगी कि बेटा, घर में सब लोग भी कहेंगे और इज्जत से आपको नाम लेंगे. इट इज अप टू अस. 5L you follow this, you will become great. 3L on the exterior front. First L on this is leverage. Leverage, you understand English? We are in the era of www. सभी से जुड़े रहो. Leverage says that if you know all the names who are sitting here and you know their birthday, बोलो भाई, yes? सबके बर्थडे पे विश कर दो, सबको विनम्रता से बातें करो, and use the power of technology, leverage it, and you will become very successful in life. जिससे मिलो उसका साथ कभी ना छोड़ो. This is what leverage says. जितने बड़े लोग हैं, राणा साहब से अगर आप 20 साल के बाद भी मिलोगे और बोलोगे सर मैंने योशाका में आपने ये कहा था, आपको याद करके बता देंगे पूरा डिटेल. Why? Those who become big and great, why they become big and great? Because they remember your minutest details. Second L, listening. In what we say in management, we lie loudest when we lie to ourselves. दूसरों से पूरा झूठ बोलो, सुबह शाम बोलो, पर अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. अगर कह रहे हो कि मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, मम्मी से कहा, पापा से कहा पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ाई करो. Don't lie to yourself. And wherever you are, listen to very carefully. If you are a good listener, you will do to the pinnacle of success. You will reach to mega heights in life. And lastly, wherever you are, last L, be a leader in life. Last L stands for lead. It doesn't mean that I have to be the biggest boss of the institution to be a leader. A smallest person can be a leader. एक बार नासा में एक स्वीपर झाड़ू लगा रहा था, तो एक व्यक्ति ने पूछा, क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे? He said, don't disturb me. I am on a very serious business. I send man to moon. This is one way to look at it. Look at the leadership ability. किसमें? स्वीपर में झाड़ू की सफाई लगा रहा था. It is of course. देख नहीं रहा है भाई साहब, झाड़ू लगा रहा हूँ, सबसे छोटा कर्मचारी हूँ यहाँ का, अच्छी सी तनख्वाह भी नहीं मिलती है, ऐसे रोते रहो. या एक रास्ता है, don't disturb me, I am on a very serious business, I send man from earth to moon. It is up to us how much pride we take in life. If you take it, you will become a leader automatically. With this, I wish you very best of luck. I pray to Lord Almighty that all the alumni of this institution should bring laurels to their family, to their name, and to this institution. To all the existing students, lots of love, happiness, and work hard to take your names to the bigger heights, to the name of your family, and to the institution. All the best very much. Thank you very much.